were always curious and enthusiastic about 3D printers. The idea that an abstract object from the mind of a person can be given a physical shape is fascinating, and that is all possible due to FDM and 3D printers. But the problem with the available 3D printer is their bulky structure and heavy cost, and the restriction on mobility and portability. In order to come up with a 3D printer that lacks these issues, we developed a Polar 3D printer, which have the same print envelope as the standard Cartesian 3D printers, simpler mechanics, efficient cost, and portable design without compromising the print quality. As every design starts from the imagination and concept sketches, so is ours. After the concept sketches, we came up with a given CAD model. It has a rotating base plate for theta axis and horizontally moving R axis, and a Z axis for height. A regular machine has to slow down and speed up on different axes frequently. Even if the machine is fast, speed changes makes it slow. Also, big changes in speed creates vibration and reduced precision. A rotary axis can reduce speed changes quite a lot. Also, x-axis requires less motion. It makes the Polar printer fast and precise. Shows how the objective of portability is achieved. We said it's portable, we mean it. The applications and target user include professionals, doctors, teachers, and students. Also, the portability can be used as a business model to introduce rented 3D printers using the Polar 3D printer. Thank you for watching the video. For any queries, feel free to connect at given email address.